Hey everyone, it's Fever here. This is a very short video that might help you fix an issue preventing Arc Rider from starting. I had the same problem in the past with the finals and this method worked, so let's take a look. First of all, here's the error. It's stuck on a running install script. This is related to Easy Anti-Cheat and it'll stay stuck here forever. Running a file verification from Steam won't fix this issue. What we need to do instead is right-click, manage, browse local files, then go to the installers folder, right-click on the install easyanticheat.bat and select edit with notepad. What you'll need to do here is delete the portion of the script you'll see on the screen, the one after the closing parenthesis from else to the end. Save it and try launching the game. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you are enjoying the game and I'll catch you in the next one.